This is Foster's. Such a brilliant boy, aren't you? Hey, likes his hugs and things. Such a soft boy. Such a soft boy. Ooh, is that nice? Hey, is it? We'll do the other one. Ooh, look at this. He's a lovely boy. Ooh, he loves that ear. Ooh, under that chin. Yes, are you going to roll down? Hey, let me rub your belly. Hey, let me rub your belly. Hey, good boy. Good boy, aren't you? Hey, very soft boy. Yes, you are. Beautiful boy. Beautiful boy, aren't you? Hey, stunning colour. Ooh, he loves them ears rubbed. Ooh, he loves that, don't you? Hey, there he is. Beautiful boy. Beautiful boy. There he is. Let's go. It hasn't actually been too bad while he's been here, have you? Hey? Hey, big boy. Come on then. There's a good boy, aren't you? Hey? Checking out all the smells. Well, he's seen Sheena up there, but he hasn't actually bothered with her, which is good. What, mate? You've got Hazel on the other side of the door, and he hasn't bothered her either. Not at the minute. You alright, mate? Hey? You're a good boy. Doesn't seem too bad. Oh yeah. Hey, mate? Checking out the room. Hey, there's a lovely boy, aren't you? Hey, aren't you? He's a nice boy. You've always got a lot to say for yourself, haven't you? Hey, haven't you? There's a good boy. There, good boy. Like all the Orientals, he likes the human company, don't you? Hey? Good boy. Hey?